Hello everyone, welcome on my channel. Today we will be seeing the View tab in Power BI Desktop. In the previous videos, we have covered the Home tab, Insert tab and the Modeling tab. Okay, so in the View tab, we can see here is some options like Themes, Scale to Fit, Mobile, Page Options and the Show Pins. So these all are the important tasks in the Power BI Desktop for developing the dashboards. Okay, so from themes we can set the theme for our visual, like see if we have this visual and we have to change the theme for this, so we can change it from here. We can select any from these, okay, like this. Okay, so if we don't want these themes, so we can browse from the themes of Microsoft. Okay, and then there is one theme gallery also. So from there we can select any one. We can customize the current theme by changing the colors by clicking on that option. Okay, by changing the color from here and apply, we can get the different theme. Okay, so and there is one other option also for how to create the theme. If we don't know how to create the theme, we can see it from here. And for saving the current theme, we can save it from here. Okay, so after this, here is one option for the scale to fit. So in the page view, there is three options: fit to page, fit to width and actual size. So let's apply and see what will happen for these options. So if we select this visual and set the fit to page, so it this dashboard fit to the page. And then for width, this dashboard will fit to the width. And if we want the actual size, it will give us the actual size. Okay, so anything we can do, but the most standard use of this fit to page. Okay, the standard use of this fit to page is the common use. Okay, so the next one is the mobile layout. For mobile layout, we have to click on here, design your report for mobile devices. Okay, after that this, so we can add the grid lines from here. Show grid lines to help you manually align objects to your report. Okay, next one is the snap to grid, automatically align objects in your report. Okay, the next one is the lock object. So it will lock all objects in place so they stay put while you are giving a presentation or interacting with report elements. Okay, so this is the page options are given here. Then the next is the show pins. So this plays very vital role in our analysis. Okay, so from here we can add the filters. We can show or hide the filter pane while editing. This doesn't affect its visibility for report readers. Okay, next one is the bookmark. So we will see the detail in the further videos, but let's understand this in short. So bookmarks is used to add a bookmark to save the filter, cross highlighting and drilling you have applied. Okay, next one is the selection. So selection is used to manage the visibility and the layering order of object in your report. Okay, next one is the performance analyzer. So it will help us to assess your reports performance and the identify areas of improvement. Okay, so it will help us to improve the performance of our analysis. We can say report or dashboard. And next one is the sync slicers. So these synchronize slicers and control their visibility across pages in your report. Okay, so this is all about the view tab. We can explore it in the detail in the further videos. And uh, thank you for watching my videos, and please do subscribe and share my content. Okay,